Alright, this is what I'm doing today. It's just going to be a board that I color white and then stamped with potato shapes. That'll make sense when you see it. And then of course frame it. Okay, let me show you how I did it. Alright, so I got this 12-inch by 12-inch plywood board from Joann's with a coupon, so it was pretty cheap, and I just painted it white with some acrylic white paint, and I had to do a couple layers. Then while that's drying, you get a couple potatoes and you just cut it down, and then you draw out what you want to be the stamp. So for this project, I'm doing an X and an O and a cute heart. So you just kind of draw it out and then slice the shape and cut it out like a stamp out of a potato. Okay, so my marker kind of died in the middle of drawing on a potato. I don't think the markers and potatoes go together. So you might want to find a different marker that would work better, but I just kind of eyed it. Okay, so then the whiteboard, you want to mark where you're going to place the stamp so it's equally spread out. So I was going to do 4 rows with 4 hearts. Well, so do 4 rows, do heart, 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 and then like an X, and then heart, 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 and then an O, and then a heart, and then a heart, heart, or wait, just like, no, heart, X, heart, heart, and then O, heart, heart, heart. If that makes sense. So it'll have like an XO, XO in a diagonal shape. And I had my little cuties help me out. This is the best part, having them place it and stamp the paint. Oh, so I used acrylic paint. I did the hearts in red and the X and the O. I did the X and the O in black. So first I did the hearts so I wouldn't mess that part up. And then I did the X's and the O's with my cuties. Okay, so then I got some scrap wood from the garage, kind of just laid out what I had, and I realized I was out of the small wood. It didn't cover all 4 sides, and I thought, well, that's probably best because I wanted it to stand on its own. So I went and got a leftover pallet board. You can see there's some nails that I had to hammer down on. And I measured that out and cut it all so it was all perfectly square, sort of. And I painted it all black so you didn't see the nails or the ugly wood or whatever. And then I nailed it all together. I used some glue. You could use hot glue gun or like some wood glue. And I glued the whiteboard that I painted to the frame. So as you can see, this lower base will make it stable and not, tip over. If I made you could make it the same as all the other sides and just hang it up, but I want it standing on its own. So yeah, turned out great. Absolutely love it, and it was pretty cheap, a couple bucks for the board. The paint I already had, so woo! Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope this helps with your Valentine decorating your house sort of thing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Woo! I love you.
Bye.